आज्ञा मानै नहीं, चले अटपटी चाल। लोक वेद दोनों गए, आए सिर पर काल। कबीरा, आए सिर पर काल। गुरु आज्ञा मानै नहीं, चले अटपटी चाल। लोक वेद दोनों गए, आए सिर पर काल। कबीरा, आए सिर पर काल। Life is full of problems. Aaye sir par kaal. Look at the way he says, full of problems. Why? Because you have not minded what your guru said. Therefore, the title given to this verse is Mind Guru's Advice. What is the Guru's advice? Why not hark to the words of thy Guru? Forever your acts and steps are wayward. You're not successful materially, nor are you inspired spiritually. Your life is full of problems. Life is full of problems. Neither you are contented materially, nor are you evolved spiritually. You are neither here nor there. Even to lead a life of material success, to find contentment in the world, you need this knowledge. You need the advice of the gurus, means you need this eternal wisdom. These eternal wisdom dialogues that we have engaged in. You need this wisdom to, it gives a solution to your life's problems. Not just give solutions, it gives you a capacity to solve your problems on your own. I'm not just giving solutions to your problem. I'm giving you the capacity to solve problems. They're two different things. If you have this wisdom, you will have no problem. If you don't have this wisdom, your life will be full of problems. Kashish, a long life ahead of you. Don't ever forget your Guru's advice. Don't ever forget this wisdom. Don't ever forget. Ever remember, if one has forgotten, you will neither be content materially, nor would you be inspired spiritually. But if you don't heed, why not hark? Hark means you don't listen to the Guru's words. Your acts and steps are wayward. Atpati chal. Atpati chal means you are your mischievous self. You will not lead a life of purpose. You're not doing anything meaningful and purposeful. In the Gita, in the 4th chapter, 12th verse, he says, Kshipram himanushe loke siddhe bhavati karmaja, he says. The 4th chapter, 12th verse, he says, is very quickly success is born in the human world. You want to be successful in the human world, he says, you do that through the right action, which is the spirit of sacrifice. Even to be achieved, even to success and find or achieve success materially, you must know the route, which is to live a life of service and sacrifice. But it is difficult to find success in the spiritual world. Not easy. So if you want to, you must mind Guru's advice, which is nothing but the eternal wisdom, which has a solution to your life's problems. So remember, if you're going through a phase where your life has got problems, life presents a challenge, surrender to the wisdom. it will give you a solution to every aspect of life. There's nothing that is not covered. There's nothing that is not resolved, cannot be resolved. So, my dear friends and dear students, this has been a journey we have put together, titling Eternal Wisdom Dialogues. We took up a series of dohas of Sant Kabir. It has been a fascinating journey for me because it was a journey that I have never tread. It is something new that I had discovered, a text which always fascinated me whenever I used to listen to Kabir ji's dohas in bhajans. They always had a deep meaning and a purpose. You know, एक बुरा जो देखन में चला बुरा न मिलया कोई, जो मुख देखा आपना मुझसे बुरा न कोई, दुख में सुमिरन सब करे सुख में करे न कोई, जो सुख में सुमिरन करे दुख का हे को होय. So these were the things that really triggered me to pick up some collections. Kabir ji's collections are exhaustive. There are hundreds of dohas, but I believe these 46 dohas that we have picked up gave us an insight into the profound wisdom and the different flavors what Kabir ji brought out. And it has been a humble attempt to draw the essence which was conveyed by Sant Kabir. And I hope our efforts have done justice to his great wisdom, which he wanted to pass on. And may his wisdom live forever. So this has been the effort, and congratulate those of you who have been in this journey, in this specific class of this Eternal Wisdom Dialogue series. So given that we have come to the end of the choice of the dohas that I have taken, there's nothing as an end, but I would want to conclude this lecture series with this. We will not be having any more of this Monday morning or Sunday evening for the US audiences. We will not be having this lecture series from now on until you get to hear from us of a new offering. So kindly take a note and let those who are not here that this will be the last satsang. And however, we will continue to meet for the Upanishad classes and the Gita classes, which would continue to happen on Saturdays and Sundays. Okay. Are you okay, Harish? It is not the end, Harish. It's only a beginning. Don't worry.
Yes, I gather that.
But everything has to come to an end. It has been a fascinating journey leading you all through this. And
It's just that the Monday mornings was such a beautiful start to the week. The first thing of the week was the classes. That was the most best gift we could have received. That was my thought.
I know how you feel. I feel the same, that I wish it continues, but I think the effort should continue. You should follow the ritual, come to the office at the same time, fall back onto these text. There are these recordings, you can listen to it, you can fall back, do your sadhana. So this should only enthuse you to carry on and continue further, you know. All right. So, but anyway, we are always connected. As I said, the other satsangs will keep us connected, and the effort continues. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.